Hi, it's Raj. So, this is the unboxing, assembly and installation of Havells Andria Ceiling Fan, which I bought from Flipkart for around 2000 rupees. So, let's begin.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
So, as always, Flipkart has an extra cardboard package to keep the brand package intact. I bought two of these units. On the Flipkart package itself, the contents are printed. Basically, there are two boxes, one with the fan plates and other with the motor and accessories. So, here is the box with the fan plates. I opted for the espresso brown variant with matte finish. However, please note that matte finishes don't have dust resistant feature. Let's take a closer look. The gold design is attractive. So, this model has got a sweep length of 1200 mm and is optimal for most room sizes. It also says not to mix up the blades with other motor units. This is the second box containing motor and accessories. On the box, there are some informations like 220 meter cube per minute air delivery, 390 RPM, 75 watts power consumption and 2-year warranty. This is the down rod. Next, we have two canopies. This is the bottom one and the one with the Havells logo is the top one. Next, we have the warranty card with the serial number affixed. Then we have the shackle assembly and the hex bolt assembly. The hex bolt is for attaching down rod to the motor shaft and shackle assembly for attaching down rod to a hanger. Next, the twisted pair wires, not twisted though. And finally, we have the motor. Let's take a closer look at the motor. It also has got some gold designer stuff on it. You can clearly see the unit's serial number. So that's all with the box contents. Let's start assembling the unit. So here are the tools which I used. Screwdrivers for Phillips and cheese heads, then 12 and 13 sized wrenches and pliers. First, we will set up the down rod. Insert the canopies. The top one should go near the down rod gap and bottom one to the other end. Bring both the canopies closer. Now let's pass the twisted wires along the down rod through the holes meant for it. At the bottom end, pull it out and up through the wedge of the down rod. Now let's fit the down rod on the shaft. First, we need to remove the cheese head screw from the shaft. Now align the down rod on the shaft. Next, take the hex bolt assembly and disassemble it. Insert the hex bolt with the aluminum pad and tighten it with the nuts in order using a plier. Finally, insert the split pin and spread its ends. Also, put the shaft screw back in. Next, let's strip the twisted wires and connect it to the screw terminal of the motor. Now slide down the bottom canopy towards the fan motor. We will now fit the shackle assembly to the top of the down rod. Unscrew the lower hex bolt from the shackle assembly. Align the shackle on the down rod and insert back the hex bolt and tighten it firmly. Now we will attach the fan blades to the motor. Remove the screws and metal washers from the motor. Now place the blade and tighten back the screws. So assembling the unit is over. Next, we need to hang the fan. For this, unscrew the top part of the shackle assembly and remove the bolt and bush. Now let's install the fan. So I am just demonstrating how to hang the fan. Consider this screwdriver as the hanger. Position the hanger between the shackles. Now insert the bush between the shackles. Quickly insert the hex bolt through the hole meant for it. So here I have hung the fan. Next, tighten the screws back in and finally insert the split pin and spread its ends. Now connect the twisted wires to the supply terminal and slide up the top canopy. So installation is done. Turn on the switch and enjoy the breeze. In my case, I have just replaced the old fan with a new one. So wiring was already there. Also, Havells recommends to use a 4 or 5 step regulator for speed control instead of dimmer to avoid humming noise. In my opinion, it's better to buy a ceiling fan from offline dealers. However, if you see a better deal online, no one is stopping you. Overall, it's a value for money product. If you don't want to risk a logistics damage, I recommend buying home appliances from Flipkart because of the additional protective packaging. So that was the unboxing, assembly and installation of Havells Andria Ceiling Fan. You can find the product and tool links in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.